if you want to remove at a glance on Google Pixel 10 Pro, so this widget that we have in the home screen, then in this case, unfortunately, it is not possible to do so with the default Pixel launcher. So if you want to keep the Pixel launcher, then unfortunately you are stuck with this widget. We cannot remove it completely. We can only leave it with the date over here at most. And if you actually want to get rid of this widget, you have to use a custom launcher, which will make your home screen and app drawer look slightly different. But of course, as a result, you will be able to get rid of this at a glance widget. So if you want to give it a try, just go ahead and open the Play Store, and then we can search for a launcher. So just type launcher over here, and you should be able to find a bunch of different results. And some of them are, of course, far more unique than others, than other launchers, but a good and pretty close to the original one, to the original launcher. A pretty good example is the Microsoft launcher, which is for free, of course. It doesn't contain any ads, at least I'm not aware of them. And it is pretty easy to set up as well. If you want to, feel free to try any other launcher, of course, but I'm gonna show you how to set up this one. So once you install and open it, we need to press get started over here. We don't have to grant access to the location, but we can grant access to pretty much everything else. Let's go to settings, and we need to grant access to all files. So let's go to the Microsoft launcher over here and then allow access. Over here, we can keep the current wallpaper. Let's say we don't want to change it. We can skip the sign in page over here, and then let's tap not now, and shortly after that you should be able to see the launcher. Let's press let's go. There we go. We can also set this launcher as the default one, so you won't go back to the default Pixel launcher. And there we go. This is how the launcher looks like. Of course, we have date and time over here, but we can actually just press and hold in order to remove it. We can also do the same thing with this search bar over here if you want to. You can still add widgets just like you can do on the with the default Pixel launcher, but as you can see, you can clear the home screen page pretty much completely, and you have more options over here in terms of customization. And this is how the app drawer looks like. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.